In a magical forest, deep and green, lived a tiny creature, so very keen. His name was Branch, a Bowtruckle, you see. Guardian of the trees, as loyal as can be. Branch was small, yet strong and sturdy, with twiggy limbs and leaves so curious. He whispered secrets to the trees every night. A symphony of whispers, filling the twilight. One day, Branch found something most peculiar. A tiny lost girl, with hair so curly. He invited her to stay, to play, and to learn about the magic of the forest, a secret to be yearned. They danced with the fireflies, they sang with the wind, and listened to the stories that the trees had pinned. Branch taught her to climb and to sing with the birds, and together they grew, their friendship unfurled. One night, as they slept under the moon's bright light, the lost girl whispered back, "Branch, you're my guiding light." Branch, with a smile, whispered in return, "Remember, my dear, the magic in nature's turn." From that day on, the lost girl was never found, but her whispers echoed, as if still around. And Branch continued to guard, and to whisper his tales of the lost girl and the magic that never fails. So sleeping children, close your eyes tight, and listen for the whispers, on this peaceful night. For all around, the magic of nature is near, and the stories of Bowtruckles, forever clear.